Khoury Chiropractic main philosophy when we opened up was, how do we provide the latest and the most advanced forms of chiropractic to our community and to our patient base that is needing our services?
Well, our mission statement is changing the world one spine at a time. So our focus is to take care of patients from little tiny babies to the elderly and everywhere in between, so that any patient that walks through the door can find their optimal level of wellness or be as healthy and well as they can personally be.
The Khourys are very caring, they're very good at what they do, and their expertise even expands beyond, quote unquote, just your spine and all of your bones from a chiropractic standpoint, but they're really into nutrition and, again, more of that foundational, how do we heal the body, how do we keep it strong and whole?
Our office has been in our community for about 20 years. It's a nice reflection on us when our patient base refers their family, their friends, their relatives. And that's a sign or a compliment that our patients, if they're satisfied, and that's a big part of our doctor-patient relationship, is not just to get them out of pain, but also to treat them in a way, in a manner that they're exceeding expectations.
It's important that we treat the patient as a whole. So if you're only looking at the spine and you're not looking at their nutrition, how they live their life, their level of exercise, their what they do for a living, their stress, then you're treating people at a disadvantage. You have to look at the person as a whole, and I think that that's what makes the Khoury Center special.
I'd say the Khoury Center is more of a wellness-based practice, not just chiropractic, but you're going to get other things that you need to keep yourself the best you can, whether that includes nutrition, from whole food supplementation, it could be therapeutic exercise like strengthening and stretching, and could also be some things to help support you like orthotics for your feet.
When you have as close to 100% nervous system function as you can have, then you are naturally going to live a better life. You're going to be better able to fight infection. You're going to be less prone to injury. You're going to have less pain.
Apprehension with regards to chiropractic is not an uncommon thing. However, finding the right office that will put you in a state of ease through education, explaining to you, answering all your questions that you might have, you're going to create a level of comfort there with that patient.
My most recent experience with Dr. Khoury started at the end of September, when both myself and my family were in a horrible car accident, and I sustained significant injuries from that accident in my neck and in my lower back. There were some options that we had to look at, and there were a couple that felt really invasive to me. I could go to a pain clinic, have epidurals, and also consult with a surgeon. And that wasn't something that I wanted to do. It was very scary, actually. And so the other option was decompression therapy. And it's made a world of difference for me. I actually am getting back to living my life, which I couldn't do before. You feel well taken care of when you come here. It's not just because they're professional and they're experts in what they do, but they genuinely care about the people that come here. They genuinely care about your whole well-being and living a healthy life.
Medications for symptoms such as neck pain, back pain are masking the symptom, they're not fixing the problem. The longer you keep kicking the can down the street, the more bigger problems you're going to wind up with. And chiropractic care is about finding the cause of the problem. The concept of health is not something that you take a pill and it delivers health. It is about healing from within.